The Iglesia Ni Cristo, Church of Christ, has grown significantly over the years with millions of members worldwide. Its ability to be embraced by so many people globally can be attributed to several key factors. 1. Strict adherence to biblical teachings. The INC emphasizes that its teachings are based entirely on the Bible. People who are searching for clear scriptural guidance are drawn to its focus on staying true to what is written in the Bible without adding or subtracting doctrines. 2. Global evangelical missions. The INC regularly conducts evangelical missions in various countries. These missions are often accompanied by humanitarian efforts, which helps introduce the Church's teachings to new communities and build goodwill through acts of service. Tatlong lingap sa mamamayan, aid to humanity. Through the FYM Foundation, the INC provides humanitarian aid to those in need around the world. These charitable acts, such as medical missions, disaster relief, and food distribution, have made a positive impact, which in turn attracts people to the Church. 4. Multilingual worship services. As the INC has expanded globally, it has been adapted by conducting worship services in multiple languages, ensuring that members from different cultural backgrounds feel welcome and included. 5. Strong organizational structure. The INC is highly organized, with centralized leadership under the executive minister. This allows for consistent and effective management of its global expansion, making it easier for people in different parts of the world to join and feel part of the larger INC community. 6. Commitment to community building. The INC fosters a strong sense of community among its members. Congregations are encouraged to support each other, and the Church frequently organizes activities to strengthen relationships, making people feel like they belong to a family. 7. Clear and defined doctrines. The Church's teachings are straightforward and consistently delivered. There is no ambiguity, which appeals to those who seek clarity and certainty in their spiritual beliefs. 8. Expansion into new territories. The INC's expansion into various countries, including parts of Europe, Africa, and the Americas, has exposed new populations to its teachings. Through church planting and missionary work, INC has reached out to a broad and diverse audience. 9. Use of modern technology. The INC uses modern technology and media, including radio, television, INC TV, and online platforms, INC Media, to spread its message worldwide. These tools allow the Church to reach people who may not have access to physical worship services. 10th. Church architecture and community centers. INC's impressive houses of worship, like the Philippine Arena and others, symbolize strength and stability. These structures often become local landmarks, and many are used as community centers, further drawing people in. 11th. Focus on family values. The INC places a strong emphasis on family and moral values. Many are drawn to the Church's teachings on marriage, parenting, and moral living, which are particularly appealing to families looking for a strong spiritual foundation. 12th. Inclusive membership process. The INC is open to all people, regardless of nationality, background, or previous religious affiliation. Through its Bible studies and doctrinal lessons, it guides potential members toward a deeper understanding of the faith, making the membership process accessible and welcoming. 13. Efficient crisis management. The INC's ability to offer support during natural disasters, such as typhoons and earthquakes, has not only built loyalty among its members, but has also gained the respect and admiration of non-members who witness the Church's care for the community. 14. Respect for different cultures. As the INC has expanded internationally, it has adapted to local cultures while still maintaining its core beliefs. This cultural sensitivity allows people from different regions to embrace the church without feeling alienated. 15th, leadership of Brother Eduardo V. Manalo. Under the leadership of Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, the church has continued to expand globally. His leadership is seen as a source of inspiration for many members, and his focus on unity and global outreach has strengthened the INC's appeal to people worldwide. 16th, doctrinal consistency. Unlike some religious organizations that may shift or modernize their doctrines over time, the INC maintains doctrinal consistency. This gives people confidence that the church's teachings are timeless and trustworthy. 17. Attractive community lifestyle. Many are attracted to the INC lifestyle, which promotes discipline, simplicity, and service to others. The church's emphasis on personal growth and collective responsibility creates an environment where members can thrive spiritually and socially. 18. Widespread media outreach through programs like Pasugo, God's Message, INC's magazine. The INC reaches millions of people globally, explaining its doctrines and the church's mission. These media efforts have contributed to the church's global growth and appeal. 19th, missionary zeal of members. INC members are encouraged to share their faith with others. This missionary zeal has resulted in organic growth as members introduce their friends, families, and communities to the church. 20. Testimonies of changed lives. Many people are drawn to the church because of the testimonies of members who share how their lives have changed since joining the INC. These personal stories of spiritual transformation and blessing serve as powerful motivators for others to embrace the church. Conclusion. The Iglesia Ni Cristo's global embrace is the result of a combination of spiritual, organizational, and humanitarian efforts. By adhering strictly to biblical teachings, engaging in global missions, offering humanitarian aid, and fostering a strong sense of community, the INC continues to grow and be embraced by people from all walks of life worldwide.